In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table in Microsoft Word step by step. Whether you're putting together a report, organizing data, or planning an event, tables can be incredibly useful tools. So let's dive into the process. First off, you're going to need to access Microsoft Word. To do this, start by clicking the Windows Start menu. It's the little button in the lower left corner of your screen, usually symbolized by the Windows logo. Once you click that, you'll see a search bar appear. It's here that you're going to type the word Word. Quite literally, you're asking your computer to find Microsoft Word for you. After you've typed Word into the search bar, you'll see the Microsoft Word application appear as one of the top options, if not the first. Click on it to open the application. Now that you've got Word open, it's time to start a new document. You can do this in a couple of ways, but the easiest is to click on Blank Document right at the top of the Word home screen. However, if you're returning to a project and want to insert a table into an existing document, feel free to open that one instead. Okay, your document is open and ready. Next, we're moving on to the Insert tab. This is where all the magic happens. Look at the top of your Word document and you'll see a ribbon of options. Click on Insert. This section of the ribbon allows you to add various elements into your document, but for today our focus is on tables. After clicking the Insert tab, you'll see the option for Table. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Insert Table. This selection will open up a small dialog box that's going to ask you for the specifics of your table. Specifically, you'll need to decide how many rows and columns you want your table to have. Don't stress over getting this number perfect right now. You can always add or remove rows and columns later on. Once you've decided on the initial size of your table, click OK, and voila. You've just inserted a table into your document. It's that simple. Now, a few quick tips to help you as you work with your table. If you've inserted too many or too few rows or columns, simply right-click anywhere inside your table. This will open a context menu with options to insert or delete rows and columns. It's incredibly handy for tailoring your table to your specific needs. Customizing the look of your table is also quite straightforward. With your table selected, you'll notice that two new tabs appear at the top of your Word document: Design and Layout. These are your keys to making your table not just functional but visually appealing as well. The Design tab lets you choose from various predefined styles and colors, while the Layout tab offers options for aligning text, changing cell sizes, and more. Remember, a table in Microsoft Word isn't just a static element, it's a dynamic tool that you can customize, resize, and format to suit the needs of your document perfectly. Whether you need to sort data, organize information, or just present things in a clear and concise manner, mastering the creation and customization of tables will make your work in Word much more effective. And there you have it, everything you need to know to create and customize tables in Microsoft Word. Take your time to play around with the different options available and see how you can enhance your documents. Tables are powerful tools, and now you know how to wield them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice what you've learned. Happy table making.